Hello everyone, we're gonna make a special drink today, smoothie. It's I call it immunity booster smoothie or protein smoothie or so what you need, I think the best is when you get protein powder. Get the flavors you're gonna make the smoothie with. This is bananas and strawberries, so that's what I'm gonna use. Put the bananas in there. I put 1 scoop of this protein powder. You could use, if your bananas are sweet enough, like a little bit 2 days older or something, then you don't need to use honey. But if you like, you can just put a splash of honey, just a little bit to make it nicer. 1 squeeze, that should do it. And then before I put my milk in, so I have organic sliced strawberries, and you know the best way, when you get your frozen food, you don't need to seal it on top. I think the best are these ones to use, and you can put it back in the freezer. Let me just wash my hands one more time before I put the strawberries in, because I don't want to get them all over the place. Okay, just a few. This should be enough. I think a little bit more, maybe. And then if you like it really like thick, just put about this much, half of it milk. If you like it soft and smooth, then you go a little bit higher. You just fill it all the way to the top. Okay, let me just maybe here. Just for fun, I think I'm gonna put just a little bit, just maybe 2 or 3 ice cubes in there too, just to make it a little bit colder. Always wash your hands, anything you touch. Okay, that should do it. Now this is the Nutribullet. I've used it in my last video. Should make videos more often, but anyways, just thought about showing you how to do this smoothie. Done. So I made it really more like drink rather than thick smoothie. So this is how it goes. There's that. And if you want to make it really fancy, get this ready whip stuff. And when you decide to use it, it's in the fridge. Just get a little bit of it out. I'm going to go over your smoothie, and I bought these jumbo straws online on Amazon. These are really good for smoothies. They're not too thin. Perfect size. There you go. Your protein smoothie immunity booster drink is done. And try to get, if you get a protein powder, try to get, the better ones, the ones that don't have chemicals, don't have, they're organic, they're made of natural stuff. You don't need to have a ton of sugar in it. Like I said, if there's no sugar in it, then you put the banana in it, it makes it nice and sweet. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.